2.5-inch attack line direct with assistance. As we have seen, if the fire is to the front of the apparatus, a direct pull by one firefighter cannot work due to the hose binding against the hose bed. If there is another member available to provide assistance, a direct pull is possible. The second member positions themselves at the tailboard, assisting with clearing the hose from the hose bed. The first firefighter pulls the nozzle and first fold of hose until the loop clears the hose bed. The firefighter then turns and proceeds directly to the fire. The member at the tailboard pulls additional hose from the hose bed, making sure the hose remains clear of the tailboard and tires. Care must be taken to avoid piling the hose up, which would make extending the line more difficult. Due to the apparatus having a narrow tailboard, the firefighter assists from the ground. Once the desired length has been pulled, the line can be broken and connected to the discharge. Here is another option for the 2.5-inch attack line with assistance. As we have seen, the first firefighter pulls the nozzle and first fold of hose until the loop clears the hose bed. The firefighter will then turn and proceed directly to the fire. This apparatus is equipped with a wide tailboard and a low hose bed. The second member positions themselves on the side of the tailboard opposite the direction of the hose pull to avoid the hose as it is extended. The second member pulls additional hose, making sure the hose remains clear of the tailboard and tires. Once the desired length is pulled, the engineer can connect the line to the discharge, and the second firefighter can assist at the nozzle. Progressive hose lays. This hose evolution is designed for the efficient deployment of the 1.5-inch progressive hose lay during wildland firefighting operations. Hose may be laid parallel to the fire flank in terrain that is inaccessible to fire apparatus. Teamwork and communication are essential to this operation. When responding directly into a brush fire location, all PPE, including web gear, should be worn. The order is given for a progressive hose lay. Repeat the order. Deploy the 1 3/4 attack line to the anchor point, flaking out as much hose as is needed. Signal or call for water. The remaining members obtain hose packs and will meet up at the nozzle. An additional pack will be carried to maximize hose advancement. Starting at the anchor point, wet down the area and extend the hose line. The last hose member will monitor the remaining length of hose, calling out 10 feet, 5 feet, hose. The nozzle member stops his forward movement upon hearing hose, using a circle roll. At the end of the line, remove the hose from the nozzle member's pack and place in the green. The nozzle member will secure a safe working area by wetting down the surrounding area and monitoring fire behavior. Give the female coupling to the nozzle member. The nozzle member will shut the bail, disconnect the nozzle tip, and couple the two sections of hose together. The hose member will remove the male coupling from the pack and attach a nozzle. The hose member now becomes a nozzle member and will extend the line after the hose is charged. Secure the nozzle to the hose line and secure the bail in an open position. The hose line is extended. The last hose member again calls out 10, 5, hose. Using 50-foot donut rolls and 100-foot donut rolls. A hose member will remove the hose from an available person's pack. The hose will be rolled out away from the nozzle person into the unburned area. 100 feet will be connected whenever possible. Upon signal from the nozzle person, the hose is clamped approximately 10 feet from the nozzle. Clamp the hose in the center of the clamp to prevent damaging the hose. The nozzle person bleeds the line and disconnects the nozzle. A gated Y or T may be put in the line as necessary. This will allow a lateral to be connected at a later time without disrupting the flow of water. Placing a 100-foot lateral every 200 to 300 feet will allow most areas to be covered. The hose leg continues to be extended following these same steps. Speed and efficiency are important to minimize nozzle downtime. Always remember, when working on a wildland incident, LCES, lookout, communications, escape route, and safety zone.